Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to rotate the missing vivid filter in iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on camera. Now here scroll down, click on formats. Now here click on most compatible. After click on most compatible, go back to home screen and click on photos app. Now in photos, click on library, click the photos, click on edit icon. Now here click on filters. You will see vivid filter is here, so click on done. You will see vivid filter picture is here. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can missing vivid filter in iPhone 17 Air Pro. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.